You're facing retirement and you have questions. Do I have enough money? How should I structure my portfolio for retirement? Is it different than what I've been doing up until now? How much income can I safely take from my portfolio, and from which accounts? Can I go on those dream vacations? Buy that car I've always wanted? Should I be downsizing? How do I make sure I don't outlive my money? And of course, there are factors you don't even think about. You're unsure and you don't know where to turn for answers. You want to enjoy retirement, not take the time and energy to manage it all on your own. At Stonebridge Wealth Management, we help people prepare for and navigate through retirement. We see retirement as an income challenge, and that income needs to do two things: increase with the cost of living and last as long as you do. We will guide you through the ever-changing tax codes, inflation, market fluctuations, show you when and where to take your income from: your IRAs, Roth IRAs, taxable accounts. How does Social Security come into play, and how do you best maximize your lifetime income? Many retirees inadvertently pay more to the IRS by not managing their IRA required minimum distributions correctly, an all too common and very expensive mistake. We help you manage all of this, while at the same time create a custom investment strategy designed with a goal to protect your hard-earned money against market corrections. Knowing how important it is for you to receive the income you need, when you need it, without having to sell during a down market. These are just a few ways that we at Stonebridge Wealth Management help our clients retire comfortably and remain comfortably retired. Now, we realize that we are not the right financial advisor for everyone, and not every person is the right client for us. Like you, we are selective about who we work with. To see if we may be a good fit, call 630-230-1830 to schedule a free consultation or request an appointment here.